Hi everyone, I lost my 3D glasses, that's why I'm using this. Yeah, I have a Twitter at SmileAsher31. First look at my bio before following me because I unfollow you. Follow me on Tumblr, big time hyphen forever. Letter E. Those letter E are forever. Letter I mean number 3 slash hyphen Nile31.tumblr.com. I haven't to do anything. I just done my assignment. It's only one. It's so very easy. I have nothing to do. I think I'm grounded for something. I don't know why. I didn't do any mistakes. Not know why. My dad is not here and my mom is in other country. We video chat every day, but on Mondays it's too long. Keeps me about 8 o'clock p.m. to video chat with her. And my dad is not here. He had something to go with, I don't know, with his friends. I lost 4 teeth and I'm having I think retainer or what you call that, I don't know. Forgot about it. I'm on the YouTube having those video camera record from the video or from the webcam. Tweet me something, follow me. Some webcam toy. Do you know that? Yeah, you should go there. I have many friends. They said someone hates me on Twitter. I don't know why. She's my first best friend over there, and she also lives in Philippines, Makati City. But I wish we could go be friends again. I'm just 11. Is a single radio. I don't sing much. I can dance. This one was too messy. And yesterday was my let me see it. My grandmother's father's death anniversary. He died last 2010. Wish me luck for school every day. Bye. Thanks for listening about me. Let's wait until 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.